Dear kind soul, welcome. Get yourself to a calm place and get yourself to any position that you are comfortable with. Now gently close your eyes and allow your awareness to settle into the rhythm of this moment. Deep breath in, feeling the cool air filling your lungs. And exhale softly, releasing any tension you've been carrying. Allow your breath to become the anchor that gently brings you into the present. With every inhalation, feel a calm wave of peace entering your being, and with every exhalation, feel stress melt away. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, imagine yourself surrounded by a soft, warm light. A light that seems to embrace you like a gentle hug. This light represents serenity and balance, soothing every part of your body. Feel it starting at the crown of your head and slowly spreading down through your face, your neck, and into your shoulders, releasing any knots or tightness. Let it flow into your arms, your chest, your belly, and finally down through your legs, reaching all the way to your toes. In these next few moments, focus solely on your breath and this feeling of lightness. Imagine that with each breath, you are inhaling calm and exhaling tension. Picture a slow, graceful tide that carries away every worry, every distraction. Let your mind quiet and settle like soft waves on a tranquil shore. Allow any thoughts that arise to drift by like clouds in a vast, open sky. Simply observe them without judgment, and then gently let them pass, returning your focus to the simple rhythm of your breathing and the comforting glow of the light within you. Now, in this peaceful state, ask yourself, how can I honor this moment of calm throughout my day? How can I honor this moment of calm throughout my day? How can I honor this moment of calm throughout my day? Reflect briefly on this question, knowing that the answers may come in the gentle spaces between each breath. Allow the peace you cultivate here to remind you that no matter where you are, you carry this calm within. As you slowly prepare to finish this meditation, take another deep breath. Feel gratitude for these few precious minutes of stillness and for the strength of your inner peace. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your physical self. Slowly open your eyes, carrying with you the gentle serenity and balance of this moment. Remember, dear kind soul, that you can return to this peaceful sanctuary anytime, anywhere, simply by closing your eyes and reconnecting with your breath. Enjoy the rest of your day with a heart full of calm and a mind clear and refreshed.